Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's Rochelle. Today's video, I'll be doing unboxing with Louis Vuitton. What I got from Louis Vuitton, let's find out. I got a twist from Louis Vuitton. Another twist. Different from the one I showed you before, because the one I showed you is a small one. It's the twist BB, but this one is the bigger size. Here you go, and it's brand new, but Louis Vuitton doesn't make this anymore. Why? Because it's a limited edition. This is my twist tote. It's super adorable. Make it the handle right here. It's denim, guys. Would never love denim. So tote in the sense that it's bigger. It's bigger in size, and you can really tell, like, it looks like that tote style. Okay, the material of this bag, it's epi. So with epi leather, I'm a big fan of epi. Why? Because very durable. It's amazing. Quality is amazing on this material. So the epi leather has a lot of process to do. First, you have to do tanning, dyeing, and after the dye it, you can feel the texture. They pressed it. So pressing, they actually age it with a certain type of vegetable. I believe it's the wheat. So they age it with the wheat, so you can feel that texture right here. So pressing, and then after that, then the finishing. It's a lot of work before. That's why how Louis Vuitton is very exclusive, because the process of each product went through. So it has to undergo a lot of process before the finished products, which is beautiful. That's why I love epi. Okay, so let's focus on the bag. So the bag right here comes with two handles. The color is denim. Okay, so the bag has this closure right here. It's a twist because it's easy. You can twist it open with the letter V, and you just twist it to close it. So patches all around here. You can see that you have that petite malle. That's one of the famous crossbody with Louis Vuitton crossbody with the LV, like a cone, like a button right here. Another LV here. All of those amazing patches, which I love. And among all of this, my favorite one, I think you probably guessed which one. Okay, let me just tell you, among all these patches that really caught my eye, that I need to get this bag, I love this one because of the yellow car. I feel like it's super duper cute. When I saw this, I have to have this bag. Okay, so you have that in the side that you can make it, you know, you can open it wide, so you have that side closure as well. It's like snap on the side, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, the inside, it comes with a strap. Actually, the strap is not long. Let me assemble it. Me personally, I love to carry just like this one, like this. But you could easily use the handle too, but just within the shoulder because it's shorter. I doubt if you can do a crossbody, it's really short. Okay, let's talk about the inside of the bag. It has a middle pocket right here. And it's a suede, like dark blue, navy blue. It's like a navy blue suede inside. Oh, it actually comes in this one too, like a luggage tag. Comes with a luggage tag as well, but I just put it inside. Okay, so another two small pockets in this side right here, and one compartment in this side and another compartment in this side in the middle pocket. So that's basically the inside. As you can see, I still have this thing in here. For this bag, let's talk about the durability of the bag. It's very durable because of the epi. It's a very structured kind of leather. The amazing features is it's made with epi leather, very durable and scratch free. It's not easily scratched because of the texture. The feel of the bag is smooth, but you can still feel like a little bit of textures. What else? Easy to clean. Why easy to clean? Because of the epi leather. Very easy to clean. You just use a damp cloth and wipe it. That's all. Epi leather actually is not that heavy, but it depends though. If there's a lot of like metals, it sometimes gets heavier. And what else? It is really a classy bag. That's the thing I love about the twist tote. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. Like this bag, how I style this, so I can easily wear this with all white because denim with all white matches so well. So like what I'm wearing right now, it's all white and with this bag. I can probably do summer styling videos with this bag as well. For now, I just want to reveal you guys what I got from Louis Vuitton. And if you do have any comments, feel free to comment below. And that's pretty much it today. And that's my twist tote bag in epi leather and in denim color. But then again, you can grab yours because they're still available in different colors. Comes in black. I believe the newest one probably comes in white. It comes in navy blue and some other colors. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and if you do like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. To subscribe is very easy. You just have a Gmail account and that's it. You can connect with me. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. You take care yourself, and don't forget again, hit the like button and subscribe.